Sensex as well. 8 months, we are at the lower end of 8 months as far as the Nifty is concerned. Mitesh, towards the end, what is it? Of course, you have broken down the key strategies in this kind of a painful market that investors should have. Probably not every day is a day to trade. Not every day is where you should be aggressive in your positions. What exactly would you want to tell the retail investors who may be just at the brink of losing confidence in this kind of a market?
Okay, so the first and foremost thing is that majority of the investors have witnessed such a sharp fall for the first time.
Yes.
And believe me, if you're looking at this fall as a first time, this is a learning lesson for you. So I would like to repeat the same statement which Mitesh sir has said, wait patiently. You can't, anyway, you can't do anything, Sakshi. If your portfolio is bleeding by 20-30%, anyway, you can't do anything except to pump in more cash, which people don't have right now.
Right.
So there is no point in frustration. The only thing is that you have to wait patiently. And believe me, if you don't have that patience to wait patiently, this market will not give you money. In this market, you can't create your wealth. So the biggest mantra is that in such a market, wait patiently, because anyway you don't have any option. First thing. Second thing, anyhow create additional sources to put additional money in this market, because you will never get this price again. After 4 or 5 or 6 months or 1 year, you will regret that because you have probably bought this dip. I mean, we all have regretted the kind of dip which we have witnessed during the COVID time.
Absolutely.
Right? So the second thing is that whatever little resources you have, even supposing, say, if your portfolio is 10 lakh rupees and if you have 50,000 rupees right now, no problem. But try to put in that 50,000, because this 50,000 will boost your confidence and will also add additional alpha as compared to 10 lakh rupees. So this is a theoretical example. So first is that try to get some sort of the resources from here and there and try to sit on the cash or try to deploy the cash right now. Now the question is that, okay, we are patient. Okay, we have generated cash. What next? The next thing is that wait for the tide to turn. You can afford to buy a 300 rupee stock at 400 rupees. But don't try to juggle to buy the stock at 300, because looking at the market condition, there are chances that the stock will come to 200 rupees. So in this market, please cultivate a habit of buying costlier things. Okay, if you have seen something at 100 rupees, if you manage to buy it at 150, and if you manage to generate cash at this point of time, and if you manage to be patient, believe me, this market will reward you substantially in the years to come.
That's a wonderful point to make, Mitesh. A masterclass in itself, viewers, and that's what we need at this point in time. Not to act in any way of panic or worry or concern, but look through patiently. Both Mayuresh and Mitesh have actually given you gems of understanding this kind of a market period. Having the faith that in the long term, the tide will turn. When will that happen is something very difficult to say. But in case you have additional funds, keep that long term going and keep investing at these lower prices. Do your SIPs, double down your SIPs. Maybe in the future, you will not get the Nifty at 22,350 again. So keep an eye out on this kind of a level and keep whatever additional funds you are getting, sensibly speaking to your financial experts, and then delving into this market. Mitesh, always a pleasure to have you with us to guide all our viewers through the wealth of experience that you have.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.